In logarithmic equations, we need to remember the three strategies. First, the exponential form. So kapag naka-logarithmic form ang ating given, kailangan muna natin siyang i-convert into its exponential form. Next, the laws and properties of logarithms. So sa ating previous lessons, pinag-aralan na natin yan. So I assume na alam nyo na yan. And lastly, the one-to-one application. The one-to-one application states that if log of m to the base b is equals to log of n to the base b, then m is equals to n. So kapag parehas ang log ng ating equation, therefore ang kanilang argument ay equal. So with that being said, let's have an example applying these strategies. For our first example, we have log of 2x plus 7 to the base 2 is equal to 5. So kapag ganyan ang ating given, ang strategy na i-apply natin is the exponential form. So naka-logarithmic form siya, kailangan natin siyang i-convert into its exponential form. So in converting logarithmic to exponential form, palagi nating tatandaan kung ano ang subscript, siya ang base. At kung anong result, siya ang exponent. So sa ating given, pag kinonvert natin into its exponential form, magiging 2x plus 7 is equals to 2 raised to 5. So simplify, 2 raised to 5 is equals to 32. So 2x plus 7 is equals to 32. Transpose 7 to the right, 32 minus 7 is equals to 25. So 2x is equals to 25. Divide both sides by 2. So our final answer is x is equal to 25 over 2. Next, we have log of x minus 2 to the base 7 plus log of x plus 3 to the base 7 is equals to log of 14 to the base 7. So, mapapansin nyo, meron ng application ng law of logarithm. At anong law? It is the product law of logarithm. So, kapag merong addition ng dalawang logarithm, product law yon. So, ipagmumultiply lang natin ang dalawang argument, which is x minus 2 times x plus 3. So by FOIL method, ang answer natin ngayon is x squared plus x minus 6 is equals to 14. So simplifying the equation, ang answer natin ngayon is x squared plus x minus 20 is equals to 0. So meron tayong quadratic equation. I-factor natin ang equation. Ang sagot natin ngayon is x minus 4 times x plus 5 is equals to 0. So ang values of x natin is x is equals to positive 4 and x is equals to negative 5. Sa logarithmic equation, palagi rin nating tatandaan na ang value na kukunin lang natin as a solution sa equation ay ang positive na value. So, ang final answer natin is x is equals to positive 4. So for our last example, we have log of 2x plus 11 to the base 4 is equals to log of 5x minus 4 to the base 4. So again, kapag meron tayong ganyan, dalawang log na magkaparehas, ang i-apply nating strategy is yung one-to-one application. So sa one-to-one application, i-equate lang natin yung dalawang argument. So we have 2x plus 11 is equals to 5x minus 4. So simplifying, we have 3x is equals to 15. Divide both sides by 3. So our final answer is x is equals to 5.